In this mind-bending journey through the cosmos, prepare to be amazed as we unveil 15 incredible space facts that will leave you in awe. Before going to see, subscribe our channel. From mind-boggling distances to mind-blowing phenomena, these facts showcase the wonders and mysteries of our universe. So sit back, relax, and get ready for 10 amazing space facts that will blow your mind. It's time to embark on a cosmic adventure that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for the vastness and intricacy of our universe. Certainly. Here are 10 amazing facts about space. 1. The universe is mind-bogglingly vast. It is estimated to contain over 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars. 2. Space is completely silent. Unlike on Earth, there is no air or atmosphere to transmit sound waves, making space an eerily quiet place. 3. The largest known structure in the universe is the Great Wall of Sloan, a massive cosmic filament stretching over 1.37 billion light-years across. 4. Astronauts in space experience a phenomenon called the overview effect, where they report a profound shift in perspective and a deep appreciation for the Earth's beauty and fragility. 5. Space is not completely empty. It is filled with particles called cosmic rays, which are high-energy particles originating from outside our solar system. 6. The Sun, which is a star, accounts for more than 99% of the mass in our solar system. It is so large that approximately 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. 7. Time behaves differently in space. Due to the effects of gravity, time moves slightly slower for objects in strong gravitational fields, such as near black holes. 8. The temperatures in space can vary dramatically. In some parts, it can reach incredibly high temperatures of millions of degrees, while in other regions, it can drop to near absolute zero. 9. Space is a chaotic and violent place. It is filled with phenomena such as supernovae, black holes, gamma-ray bursts, collisions between galaxies. 10. The concept of up and down is relative in space. There is no universal up or down, as gravity and orientation vary depending on the celestial bodies and their gravitational fields. 11. Space is not completely dark. It contains countless stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects that emit light. Even in the darkest regions of space, faint background radiation called the cosmic microwave background can be detected. 12. The International Space Station, ISS, is the largest human-made structure in space. Orbit Earth at an average altitude of about 408